What's a drill through? Drill throughs are a way in Power BI that you can see greater insights into your data by narrowing into the details behind your summary visuals. So here I've created some sample pages already. The dataset we are working with is available on my website, link in the description. This dataset details zombie encounters during the soon-to-come apocalypse, showing us dates of the encounters, locations, survivors, weapons used, zombie types, and outcomes, meaning survived, injured, or turned into a zombie. Here we see some summary visuals on these zombie encounters, and over here on this page we see a detail of the encounters that are in our dataset. On the summary page, I right-click on this very noticeable outlier, click on Drill Through, and it takes me to the detail page, showing me all the gory details specifically of what I have clicked on. Neat, huh? So how do we do this? Let's go to our detail page. Remember, this is the page that we will be taken to when we drill through. Over here on the right, we see our drill through options. And here, we are going to drag in the particular field or fields that we want to influence this page from the summary page. Meaning, this is what you will be clicking on to get to the details. On our summary page, I want more information about the location names, so that is the field I will drag into here. Now we can right-click and select Drill Through. Awesome. You can also see that filters applied to the summary page, even if not explicitly placed into the Drill Through options, will influence the detail page. For example, this visualization has a set filter on it so that we only see the encounters with an outcome of 3, meaning that person was turned into a zombie. We'll also go ahead and move this date slider so it's clear that we have date filtering applied. Now, I did not specify either the outcome or the date field in my drill through options, yet when I drove through, you will see it kept these filters. Now, if you don't want that, you can turn it off easily by clicking over here. Now, with that option turned off, if we do the same thing and drill down from our summary visual, it will filter to the location we clicked on, as that is explicitly selected in the drill through options. But it ignores the filter from the visual of outcome equals 3, and it ignores the date filter, meaning it now gives us all encounters for that location. A lot of people like to make buttons for drill throughs, as it makes it more apparent that the option to see the details is available for the data. Here, I have already added a button and given it the action of drill through with a destination of my encounters detail page. I set up the style in a way that this is completely hidden until someone clicks on something, but you don't have to do that if you want to make it clear from the start that there is a button. But for my page, I first click on the outlier again, and this button magically appears. And it drills through. Also, you don't have to use data from the same table as your summary visuals. You can instead drill into data from a related table so long as the proper relationship is established with the table from your summary page. If you're not sure what I mean, I do plan on making a video about relationships soon, so stay tuned for that. Now we drill through to our encounters page and we get the info we need. Then we go back. And then, for whatever reason, we want to go back to the details page. But now I want to see all the details, and the page is still stuck on the view we drove through to before. How do I reset it? Go to the filters on the right-hand side of the page, and just clear them out. Easy. Except, honestly, this isn't very intuitive, and you would be surprised at how many end users aren't even going to know how to do this. So my preferred trick is to have an overall details page with no drill through options set up at all. One where you can see everything you want to, and then a duplicate of this detail page with the drill through setup. You then hide this drill through page, making it only accessible with the drill through option. That way, when someone goes to look at your details by itself, the drill through filters won't be stuck on there. That's it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe.